Hi guys, so we're going to look at our first case of long division. This one's pretty easy. If you look at this, 6 goes into 8 once. So we put it above the 8, and the remainder, which is the part that's left over, is 2. Okay, simple. But if we go into the next one, where I've got now a 5 in the ones column, and now the 8 is in the tens, we're actually looking at the whole thing as 6 going into 85, but we're going to break it down. So we do the same first step. How many times does 6 go into just 8? And it still goes into 8 only once. And instead of putting our remainder 2 up there, it now jumps into the column, into the ones column. So it's actually how many times does 6 go into 25? And the answer there is 4 times, with the remainder of 1, because 6 times 4 is 24, plus 1 gets us to 25. All right, let's go to the next one. Same steps, except now our 8 is in the hundreds, our 5 is now in the tens, and we have a new number in the ones, which is the number 2. So starting from this side here, always, how many times does 6 go into 8? It's still only once. And again, instead of putting remainder 2, we put the 2 above the 5. It now becomes how many times does 6 go into 25? And it goes in there again 4 times, just like the last time we did this. And instead of putting the remainder up here, like we did there, it now goes into the ones column because there happens to be a number in that column. So how many times does 6 go into 12? And the answer is 2. And there is no remainder.